less than 5. Alright. Alright, here we go. Keep it clean, guys. Keep it clean. Alright, this is Junior Snow right front, Jody Hutt in second. Keith Allred third, Pat fourth. That's the pink and white truck out front. Looks like Keith Allred wants their second spot. And Jody Hutt says, no, I want it back. We got some dicing going on up front. 8-1 for Junior, 8-2 for Jody, 8-2 for Pat, 8-5 Keith, 8-2 Craig, 8-2 Greg, 8-3 Dylan, 8-3 Eddie, 8-0 Pete Williams, and 8-1 Rick Collins. The pink truck out front is the leader, Junior Snow. Second, the orange and white truck. 30 Hutt. Keith Allred in that third spot. He's on that second spot bad. 8-0 for Jody, 8-0 for Keith. Junior still out front when they make 2. And Clips and his yellow drops him back to about 7. One mistake, man, is all it takes here. That engine don't break out. 8-3 for Junior, 8-2 Jody, 8-1 Pat, 8-2 Craig, 8-1 Greg, 8-2 Keith. So that is the pack, lead pack, 1 through 5, going down to 1. That's the pink and white truck of Junior out front. It's Jody up second, Pat, Craig, and Greg. That's 1 through 5 as they cross the track again. 8-3, 8-2, 8-1, 8-3, 8-1. Oh! It looks like somebody talked a little bit of that dip, and now it's a four-run pack. Jody Hutt looking to take the lead. He does, and he backs it off. It looks like Junior took back over. Jody comes across the right thing, and he's moving. Junior Snow, the leader in that pink and white truck with an 8-2, Jody 8-3, Craig 8-3. They're coming, 8-4. Sorry, at 8-0. Lead pack, 1 through 4, going down to the 1, down the back straightaway. It's the pink and white truck. Jody Hutt, look at low. Can't quite make it stick. It's still the 1 through 4 right there, guys. 8-3s and 8-4s. Those strikes in dice. Oh, that looks like Craig Martin getting bumped out, and now there's 3 trucks. 3 trucks running down for the lead. It's Junior, Jody, and Greg. 1, 2, and 3 as they come across the straight driveway. Looks like there's going to be 3 abreast around this racetrack. The pink and white of Junior, Jody Hutt and orange and white, trying to get Junior to break out. Junior said, so 8-4 for Junior, 8-3 Jody, 8-3 Greg, 8-3 Keith. 1, 2, and 3, there they go, down the front straightaway, into 1, back up off the 2, hits the pink truck of Junior, trying to hold them off. Alright, it looks like Greg's trying to get up into the mix now. He wants to take over that spot. Keith Allred, though, has run the pack back down and has not broke out to do it. So that's 1 through 4 as they go down into 1, off the 2, down the back straightaway. Jody Hutt takes over the lead. Junior says, no, I want it back. They cross the strike side to side, back down into 1. It's the orange and white truck of Jody Hutt out front with an 8-2. Junior Snow in the pink truck now has dropped back to second. Greg coming to third. Oh, it's Bruce and Greg get together. So now it allows Jody Hutt and Junior to get a little breathing room. 8-3 for Jody out front, 8-3 for Junior, 9-0 for Greg, 9-3 for Keith. That costs us just a little bit of time, but we've got a lot of racing left. It's 3 minutes down, 6:45 to go. The orange and white truck has Jody Hutt out front.
They'll be racing with you.
Pink and white, Junior in second. Well, he's coming here. Greg Cummins with an 8-1, Keith Allred 8-1. They're running the pack back down. Lurking back there in that 5th spot, Pat Amos. Pat Amos is on the same lap too, so he's right there in the mix with the rest of them. 8-1 for Jody, 8-1 Junior, 8-1 Greg, 8-0 for Keith Allred. 8-2 for Pat, 8-1 for Dylan. All for 2, down the back straightaway, hits the orange and white truck, and still got pink and white. And Junior Snow running second. Junior on that first spot back over. 8-1, 8-1, 8-1, 8-0, 8-1, down to 4 for Jody. That is for the limit, down into 1. We are a little over halfway, guys. 4 down, 4 to go. The orange and white truck. Jody Hutt out front, the pink and white. Drafting, going into 1, coming back down the back straightaway. Jody Hutt trying to pull just a little bit of ground on him. Junior looks down on the inside. Can't quite make it stick. 8-1 Jody, 8-1 Junior. 8-0 Keith Allred. He's up in the 3rd now. It's still Jody Hutt with an 8-1 Junior, 8-1 Keith, 8-1 Greg, 8-1 Pat, 8-1 Dylan, 8-4. Down into 1, off the 2 with the orange truck of Jody Hutt with Junior Snow. Steer image, steer his last race. 8-1, 8-1, 8-1, 8-1, down to the top 5 cars running 8-1. Junior looks to the inside, coming through the trouble, back down into one, up off the two. Can't quite make it past two, but still got a lot of racing left. It's all about being patient. Oh, he gets right up under it, ties his ass down the back straightaway. Saving just a little bit of juice, maybe get a little foot grass coming up off the floor. 8-0 for Jody Hudson turn by. Junior's trying to get him to bump out. Can he do it? We got 5 minutes and 20 seconds now, 4:30 to go. This is a 10-minute race, guys. We still got a lot of racing left. Junior lifts down up off the floor, off the strike, back down into one. It is still Jody Hudson out front, 8-1, Junior 8-1, Keith 8-1, Greg 8-2, Pat 8-1. Back out front, it's still Jody Hudson. It's the orange and white truck leading the way with the pink and white truck out. Guess what? Coming right there in third place. It's Keith Allred. Keith Allred in that orange and brown, orange and white truck has run down the leader. Again. So you can't say that you can't do any breakout, guys. It's on your team. Orange and white out front, Jody Hudson down into one for Junior all over it. We got 4 minutes of racing left. It's still Jody Junior, Keith, Greg, Pat, Craig, Dylan, Rick, and Eddie. 8-1, 8-1, 8-0, 8-2, 8-3, 8-2, top 6 cars. All right, Jody Hudson doing all he can do to keep Junior. Oh, Rudy gets right up underneath him. Almost perfect. They go, he gets right into the yellow. Oh, Jody Hudson takes back over the point. 8-2 for Junior Snow, and he's back into the lead. We're coming into the last track, coming up for the pink and white right now. Junior Snow taking the lead. And he's already now. He's hunting the rear bumper of that orange truck. Back down into one in heavy traffic. 8-1, 8-1, 8-1, 1, 2, and 3. That is pink and white. But Junior Snow out front. Orange and white goes in second. And orange and black in third of Keith Allred. So 1, 2, 3, heading into one. Back up off two and coming into some heavy lap traffic. That is your leaders. 1, 2, and 3 down the back straightaway. Going to the front and back up off the floor. It's pink and white. Junior Snow with an 8-1. 8-1 Jody. 8-0 Keith Allred. We've just got 2 minutes and 50 seconds of racing left. Pink and white. Junior Snow showed us what it's all about. Jody Hudson pounded that pink and white car. Keith Allred says, I gotta have it. Look high to the outside on Jody Hudson. Jody Hudson can't quite do it. Can't quite make it happen. All right, it looks like Keith now is trying a different line. He's running a little tighter down around the trailer. He's trying to pick up a little speed. Maybe catch him on the inside. 8-1 for Junior. 8-0 for Jody Hudson now. 8-2 for Keith Allred. 8-1 for Greg Cummings. It's still the pink and white. Junior Snow, leading 3, back up off the 4. We've got 8 minutes down, 2 to go. 8 down, 2 to go. Pink and white, Junior Snow, 8-1. Jody Hudson, orange and white, 8-1. Keith Allred, orange and black. That is 1, 2, and 3. 8-1 for your top 5 cars. Doing the trial, we'll back down into one. Junior looks like he's trying to stretch it out just a hair, but here comes Keith Allred again. Trying to make up a little ground. 8-1 for Junior, 8-1 for Jody, 8-2 for Keith Allred. Heavy traffic all around the racetrack. Looks like Allred, Junior Snow's got a clear track ahead on him, at least for a lap or two. 8-1 for Junior Snow, 8-1 for Jody Hudson, 8-1 for Keith Allred. Keith all over the rear bumper now again. Jody Hudson as they go down the back straightaway, hunting for that number 1 position. We've got 8:35 down, 1:15 to go. Junior Snow in the pink and white truck down the back straightaway. Running below the white line down the back stretch. Heads up down the back stretch. It looks like it'll be clear by the time you get there and it is. Off the 4 across the straight, back down into 1. 9 down, 1 to go, guys. This is Junior Snow with an 8-1, Jody with an 8-1, Keith with an 8-1, Greg with an 8-2, Craig with an 8-1. 1, 2, and 3 down the back stretch. They go. It's the pink and white, orange and white, and orange and black. Junior Snow, 8-1. Keith Allred now is trying to take over that second spot. Can he do it? Jody Hudson broke out. Tough break for Jody Hudson. There's Junior Snow out front now with Keith Allred second. Greg Cummings running third. Jody got just a little happy with that trigger. So the pink and white out front, trying to hang on to it. He's got 20 seconds of racing left. He's going down the back straightaway. Got a clear track ahead of him. He's all there now. It's like he's trying to push the envelope a little bit. He runs an 8-1. Junior runs an 8-2. Can he catch it? Has he got enough time? But 8 seconds on the race clock. across the track down into one. He's going to do it one more time around. It's Junior Snow. Let's try to hang on to it. Can he do it? Hold on one. There he went. All right, Junior, you're done. 74, 10.